Hello everyone, welcome to the latest playlist of pros and experts. GATE examination conducted in India is one of the most standard exams in the world for graduate engineers. GATE opens for the junior engineers a multitude of public sector jobs and higher study opportunities. Cracking GATE with signals and systems is now easy with pros and experts. Come on, let's crack GATE with pros and experts, teach, learn, expertise. Don't forget to subscribe our videos. Please comment and share our videos. Thank you. Let's start our first question. Which of the following signals is or are periodic? Here are four options. And listen, this is a GATE 1992 question. In 1992, there were multiple select format. That means more than one options may be correct. Later on, that scheme was removed, but in 2020, in GATE 2021, sorry, GATE 2021, multiple select questions were reinstated. So, among the four options, one or more signals may be periodic. Let us check that. Let's check for option A. S of t is equal to cos 2t plus cos 3t plus cos 5t. You have to remember that this is a sum of three sinusoids, right? So a sum of a number of sinusoids will be periodic only if the ratio of their angular frequencies is a rational number. Okay, periodic if ratio of their angular frequencies turns out to be a rational number. Rational number means it should not contain pi or surds, transcendentals, etc. So it should be a rational number. Let's check that. In the first term, omega 1 I can represent as omega 1, omega 1 equal to 2. The second sinusoid, omega 2 equal to 3. In the third one, let me represent omega 3 equal to 5. Now omega 1 by omega 2 equal to 2 by 3. It is perfectly rational. Omega 2 by omega 3 equal to 3 by 5, which is also rational. Omega 1 by omega 3 equal to 2 by 5, that's also rational. So definitely S of t is periodic. And I can tell you a tip here. Whenever you see a sum of sinusoids, if question like this, all of the arguments of cosine or sine does not have pi, then it is periodic. Okay, and take another example. X of t equal to cos 2 pi t plus sine 3 pi t plus some 4 cos 15 pi t. This signal is also periodic. This signal is also periodic because all the arguments contain pi. So either does not contain pi or all contain pi, right? Then it is periodic. No matter you have an amplitude here, no matter you have a phase shift here, maybe some pi by 4 phase shift here, it doesn't alter the result. So all the arguments either doesn't contain pi or all arguments contain pi, then it is periodic. But if any of the term does not contain pi, okay, for example 4 sine 2t plus 3 sine 3 pi t plus 2 cos 3t. In this example, listen that this term does not contain pi, this term also does not contain pi, okay, but this term contains pi, so this is not periodic. Okay, so this is the tip you have to take care while dealing with sum of sinusoids. Okay, so that was option A. Now what about option B? Option B is about, so I can write this. Option A is periodic. Okay, we got option A is periodic. Option B, S of t is equal to what? E raised to j 8 by t, and we know that e raised to j 8 by t is cos 8 pi t plus j sine 8 pi t. Okay, this is also sum of sinusoids. You don't have to care about an amplitude here. This is a constant. This is not a function of t. This is an amplitude. So both the term contain pi. So this is also periodic. So we can write B is also periodic. Now, let's think about C. Option C, S of t equal to e raised to minus 7t sine 10 pi t. So what is the signal? How can you represent the signal? This is a multiplication of a real exponential signal and a sinusoidal signal. Okay, so this signal can be plotted as this signal can be plotted as this is a sine wave. Actually, this is a sine wave multiplied by exponential. So this exponential is decreasing exponential. So the resultant signal will be having an envelope on both amplitude axis, right? So the envelope will be corresponding to the exponential signal, and the waveform will be of sine. So sine starts from here. Okay, so this is S of t. So what about the periodicity of the signal? This is not periodic, right? This is not periodic because no any portion of the signal repeats itself. Okay, okay, you have to be very careful that if I consider this area, this is not repeating, right? Because the immediate next one is lower in amplitude. This is lower in amplitude, so no portion is repeating. So this is not periodic. So I can write option C is not periodic. Okay, and now what is option D? Option D, S of t equal to cos 2t into cos 4t. Okay, and according to trigonometric identities, I can write it as 1 by 2 into 2 cos A cos B is cos of A plus B, that means cos of 2t plus 4t plus cos of A minus B, cos of 2t minus 4t. That is equal to half into cos 6t plus cos 2t, right? So this is again is like a, I mean option A, where we have a sum of sinusoids and both the terms does not contain pi. So this is periodic. Both terms does not contain pi means is periodic. So option D is also periodic. So our answer is, which of the following are periodic means option A, option B and option D. These are all periodic.